Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to paint a glass bottle. So let's start. This is a glass bottle. These are Fevicryl glass colors. You may get different brands in your country. This is a bottle. I have taken the color from here. You can drop it or you can use your brush, and I did dabbing on it. So it took almost 6 to 8 hours to dry because it was raining in Singapore. Once it dries, then we will draw the desired design, and we can use either the brush or the dotting tools for painting. To draw the design, I am going to use a circular design here. So just very light. I'll draw at few places. You can draw any design of your choice. So I have drawn this design at some distances equally. Now I'm going to do dot art. So for dot art, this base is green. First shade I'm going to use green, then I will use blue. Because if I use green on green, it won't look nice. We can also use yellow. So we'll select the contrast colors. We can do dot art with the back end of our brush or with the dotting tools, or if nothing is available, then with toothpick, or even the broomstick will work very well. So let's start. So one design is ready. We will leave it for drying, and in the meantime, we'll go to next bottle. For dot art, your paint should not be very watery. If your paint is very watery, then it will flow, and we won't get proper design. So this is green color. Next round is green color. Again, we will wipe. I'm going to start the third bottle now. By the time these two will dry, and then we will move to second pattern. So for this, I'm going to take a bright color. This is sap green. This is yellow. Our third bottle's first pattern is ready. We will see if this is ready.
When the paint on our bottle is completely dry, then we will bake this bottle in preheated oven for 20 minutes. Temperature should be around 120 degrees centigrade, but you can change the temperature according to the thickness of the glass and the quality of the glass. Once you will bake it for 20-30 minutes, then your paint will be permanent and it won't come out.
Our bottles are ready. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. The information about my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.